We have spent a lot of time exploring the interface of AutoCAD in previous videos. Now it's time to learn how to draw something. Now it is likely that the most common object drawn in AutoCAD is the line. There are many ways to draw it. So let's get into a blank file that we can use. So go to your templates and open up an acad.dwt file. Now to draw a line in AutoCAD, you can go to a lot of different places. You go to the ribbon, you can go to the home tab on the draw panel. This is the line command right here. Left click on it and you can also type in the word line, press enter and draw another line. Or you can just type in the letter L. They all get you to the same place. They all work the exact same way. Let's take a look at the line command. Now the line command is pretty simple. Start the command, pick your first point, move your mouse, pick your second point. That's it. Press enter to finish it up and you have a line. This is pretty simple. Now how to draw a line at a specific angle or a specific location. Fortunately, AutoCAD gives us the ability to draw lines as accurately and as precisely as we want to and in a lot of different ways. Now there are many ways. Suppose I want to draw a line 40 feet in length. As I told you in the previous video that you need to tell AutoCAD the unit of measurement you want to work in. So let's set the unit first. I'm going to type in UN to bring up the drawing units dialog box and here I'm going to select architectural and before hitting OK, make sure insertion scale is set to inches. Now you are OK to go ahead. Let's put our first point, press enter or spacebar. Spacebar acts as enter in AutoCAD, so use it instead of enter key whenever I say hit enter. Now you can pan and zoom to get close to the first point that you just specify so that you are kind of in the right area. Now what you are going to do is draw a horizontal line 40 feet to the right. Now there are a lot of different ways to do that. You can turn on ortho mode and that will lock the position of line horizontally or vertically. We want to draw 40 feet to the right. Now remember we are working in inches for our units. So if we type in 40, it will draw the line at 40 inches. But we want feet. So we can type in 40 and then put in an apostrophe or the foot symbol. I'm going to press space bar and double click on my scroll wheel for a zoom extents. And here we go. We have our first line that is 40 feet long. One way to check the length of an object real quick is to select it and then hover over one of the grips and it will show you the length of that line segment. So we can see here it's 40 feet long, which is exactly what we wanted to do. When you are working in architectural units, you draw in inches. Now there are 12 inches in a foot, so 12 times 40 is 480. You can type in 40 feet like we just did for our 40 foot long line, or you can also type in 480, which is 480 units, which is 480 inches, which is 40 feet. Now if you want to draw something at 20.5 feet or 20 feet 6 inches, you just type that in as 20 feet 6, no spaces in between, and it will draw it at 20 feet 6 inches. Keep the command going and you can zoom out with your scroll wheel and pan around as well. AutoCAD sometimes keep you from zooming or panning. Well, in that case, you type in REA to refresh your screen. Now I will show you another way to create a line and it is with the dynamic input on, like I have on right now. You just type in your length, press the tab key and then the angle at which you want to create the line. Suppose I want to draw a 25 feet long line at an angle 30 degree. All I have to do is pick line command, click first point, and as you can see I can type in my value on screen as the dynamic input is on. So I am going to type in 25 feet and hit tab key on my keyboard once. The cursor will jump into the next input box where I will type in the angle and hit enter. And this time I will use enter to execute the command. So here we have 25 feet line at a 30 degree. Let's create outline of a house using line command. I will type L to start the command and now I will specify first point. Make sure ortho mode is on. If its icon here in the status bar is blue, then it is active, and if it is grey, it means it is off. You have to hit the button once to activate it. Now pick the first point on screen and move your cursor towards right side and type 50 feet and hit spacebar. Now move your cursor upwards and type in 25 feet and hit spacebar. Now turn your cursor towards left and type 50 feet, hit spacebar, and to close the line, you can either right click and choose close, or you can choose this option from the command line as well. Congratulations, you have just created your first drawing.